So the next pratyaya is Shatra pratyaya. Shatra pratyaya is a present active participle. The present participle is used to denote an what is that, a circumstances or an attribute and a cause of action. This participle act an agent of an action. Is an agent of an action. These are formed by the addition of sha to that form of the Parasmaipada root, which they assume before taking the third person plural termination. Okay. So examples, dhatu stha dhadoho pullinga shabda of shatra pratyaya is tishtan. Strilinga shabda is tishtanti. Napumsaka shabda is tishtan. Okay. Stha dhadoho pullingam is tishtat. Napumsaka is again tishtat. Okay. Then drishyru dhadoho pashyan. Strilinga shabda is pashyati. Napumsakalinga is pashyat. And again, Padadoho Pullinga Shabda is Piban. Strilinga Shabda is Pibandi. Napumsakalinga is Pipat. Jidadoho Pullinga Shabda is Jayan. Strilinga Shabda is Jayanti. Napumsakalinga is Jayat. Nrittadadoho Pullinga Shabda is Nrittan. Then Nrityandi, Nrityad. So here the spelling is wrong. It's not like this. We already discussed that in the class. Okay. Bhudadoho pullinga is bhavan. Strilinga is bhavanti. Napumsakalinga is bhavat. Then pachadadoho pullinga shabda is pachan. Strilinga is pachanti. Napumsakalinga is pachat. Likhadadoho pullinga shabda likhan. Strilinga shabda likhanti. Napumsakalinga likhat. Namadhadoho pullinga shabda naman. Strilinga shabda namanti. Napumsakalinga namat. Kupadadoho pullinga shabda kupyan. Strilinga shabda kupyati. Napumsakalinga kupyat. Prachadadoho tavad shatra pratyaya prichan. Prichanti. Prichad. Patadadoho shatra pratyaya patan. Patanti, patat. So here it's this stha, here the stha is tishtan. Okay, not tishtat, tishtan, tishtanti, tishtat. It's a wrong, it's not correct here. It's tishtan, n. Ending with n, not ending with t. T is napumsakalinga, ending with n is pullinga. Okay, in shatra pratyaya.